Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of adding a subscriber to AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, log into your AWeber account. Once you're on the dashboard, find and click on the Subscribers tab in the main navigation menu. This section is where you can manage all your email subscribers. On the right side of the subscribers page, you'll see an option labeled Add Subscriber. Click this button to begin the process of adding a new subscriber to your list. You will be presented with two options: Add a Subscriber or Import Subscribers. Since we're focusing on adding a single subscriber, select the Add a Subscriber option. After clicking Add a Subscriber, you'll be prompted to enter the subscriber's information. Fill in their name and email address in the appropriate fields. Make sure to double check the email for accuracy, as this is crucial for effective communication. Once you've entered the necessary information, scroll down to find the Add Subscriber button. Click this button to finalize the addition of the subscriber to your list. After completing these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your subscriber has been added successfully. If you want to add multiple subscriber, then go to Subscriber, click on Add Subscriber, click on Import Multiple, drag and drop CSV file here. Fill up the subscriber fields such as name and email. Click on Next. Decide if you want to confirm your subscriber list and click on Next. Review the tags option and click Next. Then add a reason how they can join your list and click on Next. Your subscribers will be import shortly. You can now view this new subscriber in your list. That's it. You've successfully added a subscriber to your AWeber account. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.